Hello there. It's pretty grey for many on Thursday with some wet weather as well, with some heavy showers and longer spells of rain lasting through the evening and into the nighttime period. It's not great for driving, but at least we did see a little sunshine. This was sent in from Helen late in the day. But there's a squeeze in the isobars around the low pressure, bringing the heavy rain through Thursday evening and overnight. So some gales with this, but this is Storm Brian. That was named during the day on Thursday. That looks like our next set of autumnal gales. But actually for Friday, yes, it starts off a bit grey and gloomy, some fog potentially Northern Ireland, the Vale of York, some areas further north as well, and low cloud and hill fog with the remnants of our low pressure further south. But it's an improving picture as the day wears on, increasing amounts of dry, bright weather, even some sunshine until late on when this next area of low pressure winds itself up, bringing more rain back to Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, and the strengthening wind. But despite fresher air across the country today, I think it'll feel more pleasant just because it will be a little bit brighter come the afternoon, but a grey start. Then, as we go through the evening, we see this rain rattling its way eastwards on that strengthening wind. So it might be that we get away with most of the game dry, West Ham, Brighton during the evening, but the rain's not too far away and it will rattle through quite quickly during Friday night, courtesy of Storm Brian. Gales or severe gales quite widely in southern and western areas, and for some southeastern areas it could be the first gales of the season. Gusts of 40 or 50 miles an hour inland, but perhaps 60, locally 70 around the coast again. Now, with the trees in full leaf and the wet ground, that's enough to cause some disruption, perhaps bring down a few trees and some very large waves indeed, because this storm is coinciding with some spring tides as well, so some dangerously large waves around the coast to be avoided. So it does look as if it'll be a bit of a feature as it crosses the UK. It'll bring some of the autumnal gales, the first ones in southern areas, and some strong and gusty winds further west, eventually coming into Northern Ireland, parts of northwest England, southwest Scotland. And as well as that, here we could see some really wet weather, because ahead of it, despite the wind, actually looks like a lot of dry and bright weather on Saturday in eastern areas, and temperatures will get up to around about 16 degrees, but it will be that the west sees the wettest weather over the coming few days, particularly in the showery scenario. That continues through Saturday night as the low pressure starts to pull away, this westerly wind driving those showers ever eastwards. So yeah, it will be another showery day as we go into Sunday, but again, eastern areas fare best for brighter weather. The winds will notch down by that, but clearly there are warnings out, and do stay up to date with those warnings. They're on the website.